Hey everyone! If you're getting an activation error in Microsoft Word in 2026, like product not activated or unlicensed product, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Word activation issues step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure your internet connection is working properly. Word needs internet to verify your license and subscription. Next, sign in with the correct Microsoft account. I mean, your license is linked directly to your account, so wrong login can cause activation errors. Now check your Microsoft 365 subscription status. If your subscription is expired, Word will stop working properly. After that, restart Microsoft Word. I mean, sometimes activation changes only apply after restarting the app. Next, run the Office Activation Troubleshooter. This tool can automatically detect and fix licensing problems. Now update Microsoft Office to the latest version. I mean, older versions may fail activation checks and show errors. After that, run Quick Repair or Online Repair from System Settings. This fixes corrupted activation or program files. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall Microsoft Office completely. I mean, this gives you a fresh setup with proper activation again. So yeah, that's how you fix Microsoft Word activation error in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your Word should activate normally again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Microsoft Word troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes. Hey,